Okay, we will start with Future of Production in 90 seconds. This is the claim of our event today. So now I would like to ask the first exhibitors to join me on stage. And we are looking forward to the 90-second pitches that will be presented or will be given by the exhibitors. Let's start right away with Alexander Welker from Alfred H. Schütte GmbH & Co. KG. Please join me on stage. Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. So the timer is already set. I would like to get started right away. So for more than 140 years, Schütte has been selling high-precision tools, tool machines, and we've always managed to set new standards in terms of precision and speed. And this is also something that we managed to do with our 105 linear grinding machine. So the idea of grinding machines came up 105 years ago, when we developed a machine, or when we wanted to develop a machine that we wanted to develop a multi-spindle automatics, turning automats to produce tools with. And this is the core competence that we build on. A 105 linear is the ideal machine to produce shaft tools and profile plates from batch size 1 or 10,000 to 105 comes with different advantages, or various advantages. One of them is the homogeneous material use of various structural components that gives the machine a thermal stability compared to other competitors' products. But we also changed the geometry of the grinding machine in a way that we were able to reduce the power flow of the machine by 33% compared to competitors. The 105 is able to start from the second component. Sorry, I have to interrupt you. Your 90 seconds are over. Sorry, but we already heard a lot of interesting points from you. So the VDW timer is running faster than my own one. So we got a timer down here. So thank you very much for your interesting presentation, for your interesting pitch. Thank you. Next is Joachim Jäckel from Anker Europe GmbH.
My name is Joachim Jäckel. I work for Anker. We're an Australian machine tool manufacturer, and we say we're grinding technology innovation leader, family-owned business. So EMO is a unique trade show for Anker. Here we introduced our first 5-axis grinding machine in Paris in 1991, and since then we've sold more than 10,000 of these 5-axis grinding machines. So of course this time we will also bring exciting innovations to EMO. First, the Ultra technology is a technology recently introduced. The core of this technology is that within our machine tool we do our own control and drives, and we taught our control to work in nanometer resolution, where we worked before in micrometer resolution. What does this mean? Put it very simply, you can grind 10 to 100 times more accurate than you could before. At EMO, we're now taking this to the micro level. Probably can't see this tool now. It is a micro tool which is used in the electronics industry, watchmaking industry, medical industry, and it is very hard to grind these tools to high accuracies. Now with the Ultra technology at EMO, we're going to prove that we're going to reach new levels of accuracy also on the micro tools. 15 seconds. Come also by and see our only exclusive unattended tool manufacturing automation solution, AIMS, at EMO, our gear package, and 2 world premiere machines which I cannot reveal now. See us in Hall 6 F52.
Thorsten Delfs darf als nächster
Thorsten Delfsen is next from the Balluff GmbH.
Guten Morgen. Können Sie sich vorstellen,
Good
was
morning,
dieses
everyone.
kleine
Can you
Ding
imagine
heute
what
alles schon für
this
mich gemacht
tiny
hat?
little thing has already
hat
done
mich
for me
geweckt.
today? It
hat
woke
mir
me
das
up,
Wetter gezeigt,
it showed me
damit
the
ich weiß, was ich
weather
anziehen muss.
prediction, so I know what
Es hat mir
to
gesagt,
wear.
wann ich los muss, damit
It
ich
told me
zeitig
when
hier
to
bin.
leave the house, so I'm here on
Es hat mir gesagt, wann
time.
mein
It also
Puls zu
told
hoch
me
ist.
when my pulse
Es
is,
zeigt
my
mir
heart
sogar
rate is
Nachrichten von
too
meiner Frau
high,
und
and
den
it also
Kindern.
shows me messages
Und
from my
wenn ich
wife
selber
and from
nicht
my
genau
children.
weiß, wie es mir
And if
geht,
I don't know how
sagt's
I'm
mir auch
feeling, it also
Und
tells
es
me
kann
how
mir
I'm
auch die
feeling at
Uhr
the moment, and
anzeigen.
it can
Wäre
also
das
show
nicht
me
klasse,
time.
so etwas im
So wouldn't it be
industriellen
great to have
Umfeld
something
auch
like
zu
that in
haben?
the industrial environment as well?
Das wären andere Nachrichten.
So that
Zum
would be
Beispiel,
different
mein
news. For
Material geht
example,
leer.
we are
Oder
running out
Öl
of
nicht.
material,
Oder
or
meine
I
Vibration
need
ist
some
zu hoch.
lubrication,
Oder
or my
einfach nur
vibration
warten.
is too high, or
Und genau
just
das
please maintain me.
ist unser SAMS.
And this is
Unser
our
Smart
SAMS, our
Automation
Smart
and
Automation and
Monitoring
Monitoring System.
Es verbindet
It
Intelligenz
connects,
in
it combines
Produkte.
intelligence in products, the smartwatch of the industrial automation, an optical or inductive sensor. That small thing here, for example, can also provide you with logical network, logical connections, logical connectivity. So you don't believe me? Please feel free to visit us at the EMO, and you will learn more about it.
Ja, herzlichen Dank, Herr Delfs.
Thank you, Mr. Delfs.
Als nächstes Theo Saville von
Next
Cloud
is
NC
Theo Saville
aus
of Cloud
Großbritannien.
NC from Great Britain. Super.
Okay, hello everybody. I'm Theo Saville, co-founder and CEO of Cloud NC. Precision machining is the largest industry on the planet that nobody has ever heard of. There's over $1 trillion spent per year making very precise plastic and metal components like this. And yet, without machining, we cannot make anything. There's no aircraft, there's no consumer electronics, there's no cars, there's no food. Yet, the machines that make parts like this, we must program manually, requiring years, sometimes even decades of expertise. But almost half of the workforce that produce components like this will be retired in less than 10 years, whilst demand for components more than doubles. It is a skills crisis, and it is already here. Our industry is experiencing it. What we have built at Cloud NC is the solution to this problem. CamAssist automates the programming of a CNC machine, reducing programming time typically by about 80% in our trials. And this means you can be around 5 times more effective with your CAM programming or your machinist labor. It means that you can train up new employees very rapidly and remove a key blocker to engineering innovation, which is, if I want to get a part like this, it usually takes 8 to 12 weeks, which is just insane for me as an engineer. What we're announcing today is that CamAssist is available for use and download. And between our investors, Autodesk and Lockheed Martin, we believe that this is a paradigm shift for CNC machining. Come see our demo.
Such good timing. Thank you very much. Irene Bader, please, from DMG Mori.
Okay, why we are so fascinated by cities. Cities are urban places, are places where communication, encounter, and cultural exchange take place. Cities stand for dynamic urban lives, for architecture, for infrastructure, for design, and for technology. And that's why we would like to invite you to the DMG Mori City, the home of technology, in Hall 2 in September. Under the topic and the theme of manufacturing excellence and also for machining transformation, we will show you a broadcast and a lot of information, innovation and technology. We will have a Broadway lined up with our new technologies, with our products, digital information and automation. We will also have at the city center the machining transformation square, where we will show our latest technologies, our world premieres, green transformation solutions for production, and it will be the place where the future of production becomes tangible. I really would like to invite you to the DMG Mori City in Hall 2, where we will show on 9,000 square meters the latest technologies. And yeah, we are fascinated by cities, and I promise you, you will be fascinated by the DMG Mori City, the home of technology in Hall 2 in September. Thank you very much.
Vielen Dank. DN Solutions, South Korea and Germany, please, Jaewon Yang.
Hello, I'm glad to introduce DN Solutions to all of you. As you may know, Doosan Motion Tools was reborn last year as DN Solutions, and DN Solutions has moved beyond being a mere manufacturer of machine parts to become a provider of integrated manufacturing technology solutions. At this year's EMO, we are showcasing 19 of our machines and solutions with a focus on flexible automation, real digitalization, and green forward concepts. Visitors will witness the integration of automated work handling solutions such as gantry systems, robots, and pallet handling solutions in our products. They will also experience the true digital twin that replicates the machining process and operational status. As part of a partnership with GMS, visitors to its booth can explore our multitasking machine featuring Cinematic One, GMS's CNC optimized for digital twin. EMO 2023 is a platform where DN Solutions will demonstrate our evolution as a company capable of providing highly advanced integrated manufacturing technology solutions. We invite you to DN Solutions booth to witness our future vision for machine tools. Thank you for your attention.
Als nächstes freuen wir uns auf Christian Bölling von der EIT Manufacturing France.
Next is Christian Bölling of EIT Manufacturing
Yeah,
in France.
thank you. We are from France, but I'm from Germany. Anyway, what is EIT Manufacturing? EIT Manufacturing connects the dots to make innovation happen. We are a unique community that brings together participants from Europe's manufacturing industry and build an innovation ecosystem. In our ecosystem, startups, corporates, universities, and research institutions work together. We drive topics like resilience, circular economy, artificial intelligence, or data spaces in manufacturing. You may ask yourself, how do we do this? With our innovation program, we support the development of industrial prototypes to market-ready products. So we are not talking about research anymore. Our business creation team connects startups with SMEs and large corporates to solve industry challenges with groundbreaking commercial solutions. And last but not least, with our education opportunities, we support reskilling and upskilling of the manufacturing workforce. Additionally, EIT Manufacturing is involved in 5 GAIA-X data space projects. Our aim is that companies benefit from secure and sovereign data exchange and make the best use of their data. Together with our committed community, we drive sustainable innovation and digitalization in European manufacturing. Thank you very much.
Ja, vielen Dank, Herr Bölling.
Thank you, Mr.
Als
Bölling.
nächstes
Next
bitte
is Elisabeth
Duguay von
Duguay
Erastel Cutting
of
Tools
Erastel
France.
Cutting Tools in France.
Hello everyone. At Erastil, we are convinced that innovating together is key to shaping a greener and more efficient industry. And where does it start? From the materials we are using. Our materials are made from more than 90% of recycled materials, and we aim to be the first one to reach 100%. Erastil is leader in production of powder metallurgy high-speed steels, world leader as well for more than 50 years with its ASP and Blue Tap brands. We are selling to more than 40 countries, to major players from automotive, aeronautics, and energy industries. And do you know why they choose Erastil? Because Erastil has very good performance and quality tools, and we have also a very strong team of experts to advise customers. In our DNA, innovation is a first priority. I'm very proud to announce that at EMO exhibition in September, we will launch a new grade, which is called Blue Tap Max for high-end taps, and which brings higher hardness and grindability and enables to reach higher performances and a better total cost of ownership. What drives Erasteel teams is to offer the best products to raise the new challenges of the market. Thank you. Please come and see us, booth number 8 outside.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Als nächster ist Bernd Kornrumpf von FFG Europe.
Next is Bernd Kornrumpf of FFG Europe and Americas. Bernd, you have the floor.
Guten Tag, hello and welcome, namaste, ni hao. We speak many languages, the world is our home, and we live diversity every day. We unite American entrepreneurial spirit with German engineering. Asian endurance and discipline meets Italian passion. We combine Indian thirst for knowledge with Swiss precision. We are FFG. Our wide range of products and technologies makes us a preferred worldwide supplier for metal cutting machine tools and turnkey manufacturing systems. All our customers have something in common. Energy and resource efficiency are currently at the top of the agenda, as well as precision and quality in manufacturing. With the FFG portfolio, creative value chains are mapped. Our energy-efficient systems support our customer-specific manufacturing processes with highest quality. Our technology and experience guarantee a vertical ramp-up for your production. In September, we will demonstrate how our digitalization works at the highest level, how we create digital twins, and how we test and simulate entire manufacturing lines with our virtual commissioning. Visit us at our booth at Hall 12 at the EMO. Today, I invite you to join us on an exciting journey from the start of a project in the digital world to the assembled machines and the aftermarket support offered by our customer service. Sounds interesting? Then meet me afterwards at our booth. My name is Bernd Kornrumpf and we are FFG.
Ja, vielen Dank, Herr Kornrumpf. Als nächstes darf
Thank you
ich
very
bitte
much, Mr.
Thomas
Kornrumpf.
Voigt von
Thomas
Flacco GmbH
folgt
auf die Bühne bitten.
of Flacco GmbH.
Hallo und guten Tag.
Hi and welcome. My name is Thomas Vogt. I'm the managing director of Flacco GmbH from Gütersloh, the city of Gütersloh. For more than 75 years, we look at innovative fluid systems in the automotive industry. We are well known for our oil handling and AdBlue systems. We have AdBlue tanking systems, and we are leading in Germany. We have innovation that is driven by development. We produce prototypes and show it. We have seen how important it is to have an efficient mixing and dosing system for lubricants and coolants. We develop usability. We focus on the customer. Flacco KSS tools have proven themselves time and again at Flacco CNC manufacturing, and we have proven ourselves for our customers. We are deeply convinced that Flacco mixing and dosing systems make it easier for lubricate in lots of different companies. We have good technologies, and we have mobile units that need to be plugged in. We have a mobile dosing system that can be documented and reported on. Flacco KSS machines are highly precise when mixing, which expands the quality of the lubricant. Thank you. Great. Next one is Dr. Manuel Gerst of Gebrüder Heller Machine GmbH from Germany. Hello, everyone. Heller is known for horizontal 5-axis machinery. We are the partner of lots of industries. Heller presents at EMO. We have a new generation of 5-axis machinery called F6000 with kinematics, and our flagship of F6000 celebrates the premiere at EMO. The F series is a benchmark when it comes to precision. It is built for a flexible serial production when it comes to layout, automation, digital integration in production. It's equipped well, and all components are made by Hella. Everything, the spindle, all the components are made by Hella. The chipping, the spindle, and everything. We offer grinding, chipping, welding, power skyping, the entire value-added chain. F is designed for production. And we welcome you to our small booth. Come, talk to us, and we introduce you to F6000. Thank you.
Stefan Nietzsche, Heinbuch GmbH.
Stefan Nietzsche, Heinbuch GmbH, Germany. You have the floor.
Guten Tag. Der Durchbruch der Firma Heinbuch in der
Thank you. Heinbuch celebrated exceptional success 45 years ago. Very different variants. So every time when you have to clamp difficult components, talk to a Heinbuch. We are the experts. But what you won't know, and what we'll show you today, is that we are a partner that helps you with your chipping process. We help you with retrofitting, we help you with clamping, we help you with measuring the component, we help you with automizing the production. I would like to talk about retrofitting. We have different systems that help you clamping the component on your machine, manually or automized via robotics. And after that, we can support you with the various clamping methods for your product, and we can also include measuring devices that help you inline or offline to measure what helps and what has become of your product. So it's not clamping, it's also measuring. So you can have counteractive measures. For example, if you have wear down or tear down, you can use it and adjust it right away. And we are also good at automation. We have Fischer-Bolli automation that we cooperate with to help you tweak the robot and just solve the entire machine and product.
Nicolas Neustadt, bitte, von Hoffmann.
Nicolas Neustadt of Hoffmann Measuring and Balancing Technology in Germany.
Ja, hallo. Wir von Hofmann Mess- und Ausdrucktechnik.
Hi everyone, we offer a broad range of products when it comes to balancing technologies for producing engines or ventilation engines. I deal with application of AV9000. It's a balancing mechanism where you can measure the imbalance and counteract. For example, you have it in grinding machines and in grinding spindles, where balancing influences and improves the process. There are further applications as well, turntables, high-speed cutting machines, or round turntables. At EMO this year, we produce AE9000. It's an acoustic emission system, and it shows you cutting edges and helps you precisely engineer your product. We have an active balancing system, and it can be produced in a round shape. That's important for machinery with automized clamping systems. You can look at our product already. We are at booth 13. Come talk to us. We can demonstrate our technology to you. Thank you so much.
Als nächstes begrüßen wir bitte
Next is Manuel Martinez at HSD from Italy.
Guten Tag zusammen.
Welcome everyone. What is HSD? HSD is a leading manufacturer globally of components for machining industry and engine spindles, metal, wood, composites, and even aluminum. And when it comes to steel handling as well. What will we show in Hanover? Well, first of all, we'll show two new spindle versions that we'll introduce, EST20 and EST40 for working on steel, and the second one is predictive maintenance. In other words, we have a May HSD platform that enables our customers to schedule maintenance and have predictive maintenance mechanisms in place. And I don't have to explain why this is beneficial, why this is very beneficial when it comes to analyzing things. We heard about it before. It was mentioned before what benefit that is. We have an intelligent sensor system that we developed in-house, and we can generate additional data that can be used to optimize the working process and adjust later on. Thank you so much.
Maria Chen, bitte.
Maria Chen John Lee, Co-Limited from Taiwan.
Maria Chen?
Maria Chen?
Niemand da?
Maria
Okay,
Chen,
schade.
John Lee,
Gut, dann gehen wir
not
zum nächsten.
with us. Okay,
Lukas
then we'll
Köpsel, bitte.
continue with
MVK
Lukas
Line
Köpsel,
GmbH, Deutschland.
MVK Line GmbH, Germany. Hi everyone, do I have twice the time now? That'd be great. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see what this is? Can you all see what this is? If you can't, then come look at our stand, stand 70. This is the size of a pen. It's as loud as a conversation. It's as heavy as an ice cream. You don't need lubricant and you don't need ventilation. This is one of 12 products that we have for surface processing, just as milling, grinding, degrading, smoothing, and so on. This product shows our work. Our work is focusing on manufacturing and development on micro tools. We all have a high energy demand, and there are high requirements to reduce emissions. That's why micro tools become ever more important when it comes to milling and grinding. I would like to tell you more, but I don't want to bore you with the details. Just come to me, talk to us. Thank you for your attention, and see you. And now the last presentation of our first pitching round. I welcome two people on stage. Welcome Lukas Chaya of ECOS GmbH, Germany. We have brought Rebel with you. That's a cobot. He can hold the microphone, but he can also do a lot more. He can do a lot more, especially when it comes to machining and tooling. Cobot made in Cologne costs 5,000 euros only. And we have high precision materials, and it only weighs 8 kilos. That's the lightweight of its class. For a circular economy of plastics, we have developed Change Platform this year. You can recycle technologies and plastics, and you can develop cradle chains. That is a cradle chain, it's entirely recycled. But we progress sustainability even further. We have our own metaverse that we call Ecoverse, where machinery can be developed digitally only, which eradicates emissions and travels and expensive tests. Come to EMO, come talk to us, and come talk to us here as well. Happy remolding.
Roger
Faust of Novatec Consulting GmbH from Germany. You have the floor. Welcome everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Roger Faust. I am a consultant of Novatec. Companies in machining and tooling industry face major challenges. They need to answer questions such as climate change, unstable delivery routes, or lack of skilled workers. Digitization, with all its factors such as Industry 4.0 or Manufacturing X, offer a broad range of opportunities that need to be tapped to make processes more intelligent, more efficient, and more sustainable. More than 300 employees. We are a leading software developer. We at Novatec come alongside of you when you wanted to have an idea implemented, all the way up until operation. And what we recommend, we can also implement. We don't sell products. We develop for you, together with you. We develop digital solutions. And what's important for us is that we advise the customers with our technical expertise and support you and help you implement your projects and develop solutions for you, also when it comes to lack of skilled workers in the IT industry. So a digital component of a product becomes ever more important for value-added chain. And we offer trainings and workshops and give you the opportunity to build up and tap into that potential of skilled workers and use that value-added chain. So Novatec supports companies with implementing their digitization strategy. Thank you so much. Thank you, Roger Faust. Next is Eugen Teichripp of Okuma Corporation, Japan.
Hello and welcome. My name is Eugen Teichripp and I'm the Assistant Manager of the Factory Automation Department at Okuma Europe. We are a single source provider with CNC machines, drives, motors, encoders, spindles, and CNC control, all manufactured by Okuma. Celebrating our 125th birthday at the EMO, we will present the future of CNC machining, our new CNC control, the OSP P500. The OSP P500 has the following stunning highlights: an innovative digital transformation by applying a digital twin available on the machine and as offline PC software. Providing smart operability by a new operation concept that allows beginners to easily operate and program the machine. Realizing next level high speed and high accuracy machining using Okuma's hypersurface function and ensuring shorter cycle times. A high level cybersecurity concept with whitelist function and backup concept to ensure uninterrupted production even with today's security challenges. Groundbreaking energy-saving solutions with Okuma's EcoSuite Plus that control peripheral equipment according machining requirements in respect of machining performance and accuracy. Additionally, we will present new machines as European and world premiere on our booth B36 in Hall 15. We are looking forward to welcome you at EMO. Thank you very much.
Next is Lennart Riene of Pro Micron GmbH of Germany.
Ladies and gentlemen, production of aerospace wing parts or blisks of titanium or micro machining parts are challenging. Challenging because of the high tolerances. But what's the biggest pain factor about tolerances? It's when you don't know It's when you don't know when the tool failure point has been reached, the critical tool failure point in your machining operation. And this is what Promicron, as expert for wireless sensor system, is providing, a solution that can detect the bending moment forces directly in the operation. We synchronize the data in a software called Fusion, and then we do something with the data. We transform data into knowledge with algorithms. The sensor is a wireless tool holder, a sensory tool holder, or we integrate it with machine tool builders like DMG Mori into the spindle. With that solution, we create a tool failure point measurement system, and we can predict, detect and predict it for quality control. Thank you very much. Okay, 20 seconds left. I have a stand over there. I have a demonstrator with me. You can try how strong you are. You can push the tool holder and see the forces per cutting edge. That's the closest point measuring something in a machining operation. Stay tuned.
Vielen Dank, Herr Riele.
Thank you much, André Harter at Schwäbische Werkzeugmaschinen GmbH. Hi everyone, we heard something, it's called e-motions. I talked about e-mobility. What are the characteristics and future challenges when it comes to machining? The motto of EMO is Innovate Manufacturing. Innovation is a priority. We live it out every day. But what is an innovation? If you take that word innovation, it's from Latin. It comes from the word of innovare, renewal, new. So what's a new product? Are they state-of-the-art? Are they game changers? Are they disruptive technologies? I have to think of Elon Musk. He's a visionary. He's a driving force when it comes to e-mobility. He brought up new products. He set a trend, and he's driving a trend, the trend of gigacasting, larger components, new parts. How can we tackle these challenges? Do we need disruptive new products? We think we need processing solutions that are flexible, that can be adapted, that are modularized, that are digitalized, which is a smart manufacturing solutions. And you can see that live at EMO at our stand. Be smart, be part of it. Come and talk to us. Thank you. Jürgi Fass of Siemens AG. You are next.
Hello, everybody. The existential challenges of today's industrial world are reduction of carbon emissions and the never-stopping need to drive substantial productivity. Sinomeric One, our digital native CNC, offers the highest potential in machine building and machine operation to improve even that, especially that productivity, and that both in the real machine as well as in your digital processes. Our comprehensive digital portfolio will boost your productivity and drive your sustainability targets. Experience smart shop floor, smart virtual machine, and smart machine. Let me invite you to Siemens Xcelerator, our nascent, open, interoperable, secure digital business platform that will transform the industry. Become part of an ecosystem that will allow us jointly to create this future together. Come to our booth in Hall 2 and see how we, our partners and customers, boost productivity with Sinomeric One and see how Siemens Xcelerator comes to life with machine tools. Find out how we accelerate transformation for a sustainable tomorrow. Thank you.
Vielen Dank, Jürgi Voss. Als nächstes darf
Thank
ich
you,
Oliver
Jürgi
Krause von
Voss. I
Soralus
will ask Oliver Krause of Soralus to come forward. I'll just adjust the mic. Hello, everyone. My name is Oliver Krause. I'm sales representative of Soralus Germany, and EMO starts a new era for us. It makes us more innovative, more humanized, and more proud. EMO 2023 is a pioneering spirit, and it's our promise to be leading. We rely on innovation, specialization, tailor-made growth, sustainability, and we are based on more than 60 years of experience. On EMO 2023, we'll celebrate the premiere of our new line. We have unlimited abilities. It's highly reliable, it's highly precise, and very flexible. Technology and leading technology is an indicator of our success. We present a new line of milling and boring heads. The construction was enhanced and the effectiveness was enhanced. Will reach more than 60 kilowatts and more than lots of simultaneous solutions. Will also drive digital transformation of our customers. Would you like to be part of it? Would you like to drive milling and boring technology with us? Then come visit us at our exhibition booth. Thank you.
Danke, Oliver Krause. Bitte
Dr. Markus Westermeier of Spanflug Technologies GmbH.
Hi, my name is Markus. I'm CEO and co-founder of the Munich-based startup Spanflug Technologies. Our software as a service tool Spanflug Make is a quoting solution for CNC machining companies. The automated Spanflug process makes quoting of individual turning and milling parts faster and easier than ever. With Spanflug Make, machine shops calculate prices based on CAD files and technical drawings. Every information required for quoting and for manufacturing is automatically extracted from those documents. There's no manual effort required anymore. Users get our quoting proposal within seconds, and the calculation is done automatically by the Spanflug algorithm, which was developed over the last years by the use of hundreds of thousands of parts. On the EMO 2023, we will present the latest version of Spanflug Make, which was designed to be the ultimate end-to-end quoting solution. So what does this mean? We will support users from receiving customer quote requests until sending out finalized quote documents back to their customers. And for this purpose, we developed several new features. It's really easy to get started with Spanflug Make. Our software works out of the box, and it can be customized easily to individual machine shops. So, looking forward to chat with you at our booth that's just over there. And yeah, thank you very much.
Vielen Dank. Dann geht's weiter mit Michael.
We'll continue with Michael Klock of TEBIS, Technical Information Systems AG. TEBIS.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What do those responsible in production want to see? Productive machines. Only green lights in the shop floor. No queries during setup. No operator carefully checking whether the tool or the setting really fit. The key to this is digitization and automation. This is precisely the strength of TEBIS CAD/CAM with software and services. We make it possible to provide manufacturing knowledge and the required processes as automated rules in a knowledge library. Thus, you go from data input to a correctly programmed part in no time at all. Why correctly programmed? Because we also map all production equipment as exact digital twins. Already during programming, the right machine with its units, the right clamping, the right tools, including technology data. Everything is taken into account right from the start. The subsequent reliable NC verification ahead of NC output brings absolute collision safety and avoids correction loops. And our service guarantees that users quickly implement these processes productively. Whether individual machines or fully automated cells, no more interruption between clamping the blank and unclamping the finished workpiece. That is our vision, starting with batch size 1. Thank you very much.
Danke auch an Herrn
Thank you very
Glocke.
much, Mr. Glocke. Next on stage is Beat Baumgartner, who represents TRIAC International Switzerland. Hello, everyone. So can you please pass me the cereals? So what do cereals have together with a CNC milling machine and with our modular clamping system? So I hope I can explain it to you before I'm running out of time. But before I get to this explanation, I would like to tell you more about two resources of our machine. The first thing is space, the other one is time. So often, if you take a look at a machine, the space available is used in a very, very poor way, or not very efficient way. So sometimes you have 2 or 3 floors of a factory and the rest remains unused. The same goes for the time. You need to make sure that you use the available space, and the same goes for time. The time where the spindle is running and is doing all the chipping for you is the time when you make money. The same goes for automation. Sometimes tools are changing, the robot is cleaning, and the time is running up, and the spindle is not working and doesn't do any chipping. So now let's get to the cereals. What does that mean for us in Switzerland? It's the symbol for cereals stand for a mixture. So we got a mixed production today, especially if you take small batches. You need to make sure that you produce different products. So you need to make sure you use the space and the time in the right way. And the rest, I will tell you more about it at booth number 26 in the back over there. Next on stage is Michael Fani from the United Grinding Group in Switzerland as well. The stage is yours.
Guten Tag.
Hello, everyone. United Grinding Group is a global leader for grinding machines, erosion machines, and also eroding machines, lasering and measuring machines, and also for machine tools and additive manufacturing. With our brands, the Megale Blom Jung for profile grinding and flat grinding, Schaut Microsa for round grinding, and Walter and Eva for tool grinding, and IRPD for manufacturing, and United Grinding for the Asian market. We offer a huge variety of application expertise. At the EMO, we will present 16 different machines at 1,000 square meters with different applications. You will learn more about individual or simple systems, solutions, standard solutions, up to complex systems. One advantage or one focus will be on digital solutions and on our services that we provide for you in this field. Visit us at EMO booth F34 Hall 11. And for you, journalists, we also prepared a special evening that we will host for journalists in the Sky Lounge close to the trade show area. So we would be happy to welcome you in the Sky Lounge to present everything that's new at United Grinding. Thank you very much, Michel Fani. Next is Gianluca Barra by Urma AG from Switzerland as well. Thank you. Innovation sind unsere Werkzeuge. Innovation ist unser Werkzeug, und wir entwickeln und we develop high-precision tools in Switzerland under this slogan. So our customers benefit from a high level of productivity by making sure that the handling is very easy at the same time. The process needs to be simple, and we also need in-depth processing costs. Let's take RX reaming as an example. The modular friction system is characterized by a high-precision interface. And so changing the cutting tools is very, very easy. So it's very simple that everybody can do it. Our latest development also follows this concept. And we are very exciting to be able to present it at EMO, to present you the latest generation of our milling machines, the UMA X Diamond. So handling very, very lightweight materials such as aluminum is as easy as it's never been before. So please visit our booth and also visit us at EMO and get convinced by Swiss precision and innovative tools for drilling and also milling. Tobias Schneider by SMW Autoblock Clamping Systems. Thank you. A very warm welcome, everyone. My name is Tobias Schneider by SMW Autoblock Spannsystem in Meckenbeuren, Germany, wireless technologies. Imagine you could also transfer energy and also connection systems. Nikola Tesla had the idea 100 years ago to supply the entire energy wireless to the whole world. And this is what we realized with our work. Our innovative coupling systems enable wear-free operation of clamping and gripping systems. Energy and signals are transferred wireless via small gaps of up to 10 millimeters. This is a cutting-edge technology that enables us infinitely rotating chucks and also to operate grippers. And this is the start of a new era of digitization and automation of processes. SMW offers you or provides you with a wide variety of products. Our products for automation increase efficiency, reduce CO2 footprint, and also try to fight the lack of skilled workers. Visit us at EMO in Hanover in Hall 5, booth B6. Our team is highly motivated and is looking forward to getting in touch with you. Thank you very much for your attention.
Dann jetzt bitte Jürgen
Next on
Kohler
stage, Jürgen Kohler by VKS Germany. Jürgen Kohler, do we have Jürgen Kohler with us today? Unfortunately not. So next on the list is Thomas Nagel bei Werkzeugmaschinenfabrik Waldrich Coburg GmbH, Germany.
Sehr geehrte Damen und
Ladies
Herren,
and gentlemen,
herzlich willkommen
very warm
zum
welcome
Elevator Pitch
to my elevator
von
pitch,
Waldrich Coburg.
the elevator pitch by Waldrich Coburg. We are well known for our huge
die auch
tool
mal ein
machines
Werkstück in der Größe
that
eines
can also
Einfamilienhauses
produce
bearbeiten können.
products that are the size of a single-family home. Our machines are manufactured in Coburg, so they are all made in Germany. The Taurus was one of our milestones in our company history, which lasts longer than 100 years. And since the first Taurus, we've presented several versions, from the introduction and implementation of the Taurus 25 to 2030 up to 2030 Gemini. We were able to provide our customers with 4 different versions of the Taurus. And now we're putting Taurus to the next level to support our customers with meeting the challenges of the future, with a huge variety of portal sizes, different tables available in different sizes and ramps, different RAM sizes. We offer tailor-made solutions for our customers, which is based on flexibility, modularity, and characterized by high precision. We also expanded our product range by a different spindles that are available, and with our infinite number of opportunities, we overcome all boundaries and create an standalone Taurus universe. Welcome to our universe and visit us at our booth and experience the Taurus universe firsthand, or contact us even today. We are looking forward to getting in touch with you. Thank you.